Alright guys, not an update, but y'all know what that's like, eh? You run out of gas in your MIG welder. The exact same day you run out of oxygen in the torch. Started welding up passenger side. Okay. Yeah, those ones are kind of iffy. That one you run out of gas. So, y'all know what I mean when I say you get to a point on these things you love to hate them. You want to wreck them so bad you can't hardly wait. I'm getting to that point where I'm sick of working on it and I just want to wreck the damn thing. But yeah, I got a few more tips and tricks coming for you guys. Just need to get more gas for the MIG, more oxygen for the torch. Hell yeah, we'll be back at it. So until then, there you go guys. That's where I'm at. Tell me how things are going with you guys. Talk to you later.